Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alwida Fianja, and I will explain about cause and effect. Cause and effect is a fundamental concept that helps us understand the world around us. These are relationship between two events, where one event, the cause, trigger the another event, the effects. By understanding cause and effect, we can identify the reason behind an event. What is cause? A cause is an event or action that trigger another event. This is the reason why something happened. A cause can be a single or a combination between of an event that lead to the you forgot to lead to a particular outcome. For example, if you forget your umbrella and it's raining outside, the cause of getting wet as the rain and your forgetfulness. What is an effect? An effect is a result of consequence of an event or action. Is what happened as a result of particular cause. Effect can be immediate or long-term, and they can be positive or negative. In the example above, getting wet is effect of forgetting your umbrella and being in rain. Example of cause and effect. The cause, I didn't study for exam. Effect, I failed the exam. Important of understanding cause and effect. Understanding cause and effect is crucial in many areas of life, including decision making. Second is problem solving. The third is science. So the conclusion is cause and effect is a fundamental concept that helps us understand the world around us. By identifying the cause and effect of event, we can make more informed decisions, solve problems more effectively, and better understand the world around us. Maybe that's all I can say. Goodbye.